SCONDESIGN India PVT LTD is a leading company offering fire-fighting services in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With years of experience and expertise in the field, SCONDESIGN is committed to providing top-notch fire safety solutions to residential, commercial, and industrial properties in the Marathahalli area. Our fire-fighting services in Marathahalli, Bangalore are comprehensive and tailored to meet the specific needs of our clients. We offer a range of fire safety solutions including fire detection and alarm systems, fire suppression systems, fire extinguishers, and emergency evacuation plans. Our team of highly skilled and trained professionals ensure that all our services comply with the relevant safety regulations and standards. At SCONDESIGN, we understand the importance of prompt response in the event of a fire emergency. That's why our team is available 24/7 to provide immediate assistance and support. Whether it's a small residential fire or a large-scale industrial fire, our experts are equipped with the knowledge, skills, and resources to handle any situation efficiently and effectively. We believe in staying updated with the latest advancements in fire safety technology. This enables us to provide our clients with cutting-edge solutions that are both efficient and cost-effective. Our team conducts regular inspections and maintenance checks to ensure that all fire safety systems are in proper working condition. SCONDESIGN India PVT LTD offers top-notch fire-fighting services in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With a strong commitment to safety and years of experience in the industry, our team of highly trained professionals is dedicated to providing the highest quality fire prevention and protection services to our clients in Marathahalli and its surrounding areas. Our fire-fighting services in Marathahalli, Bangalore are designed to meet the specific needs and requirements of each client. We offer a wide range of services, including fire risk assessments, installation and maintenance of fire detection and suppression systems, fire safety training, and emergency response planning. Our team of experts works closely with our clients to understand their unique needs and provide tailored solutions that meet their budget and operational requirements. At SCONDESIGN India PVT Ltd, we understand the importance of timely response in fire emergencies. Our 24/7 emergency response team is always ready to quickly assess the situation and take immediate action to minimize damage and ensure the safety of all occupants. We have a fleet of fully equipped fire trucks and a team of trained firefighters who are experienced in handling a wide range of fire incidents. We pride ourselves on our commitment to quality and adherence to international standards in all our fire-fighting services. We use state-of-the-art equipment and the latest technology to ensure the most effective fire prevention and protection measures.